basically see it there. This is Oracabessa Beach, isn't it? See the boat them on the boat, them nice for people. Yeah man. Wow, what a nice, so beautiful my people. So look over there so you can see the ship them. Yeah man, I don't know where the coast guard boat them. Yeah, big boat you know here so. I don't know where the yacht. Basically have a fisherman now. Where goes a boom and leave them little thing, you see? Like go out in the ocean go fish with them boat, catch one of fish, come back and sell the people them and land here. So basically I'm there my people. I see a general there, so I fix up this boat here. You see? Yeah man. Yeah, no say see them boat a big marlin, them boat here kill my people at Jamaica. No joke. As you can see, look on the marlin now then drop on the boat. Nice. Yeah man. So I do my general. Yeah I mean. If you don't know, check out the channel my people at Jamaica My Life TV. Over there my people. They are here in James Bond Beach. Yeah, James Bond. Yeah, no, I'm gonna watch Pirates of the Caribbean. I probably know what I talk about because Pirates of the Caribbean part of that movie was up here in Jamaica. Yeah. So I like where General are going with the zeal. Yeah. See, I don't know if I not plan to buy a boat and can come to Oracabessa Beach and make a General go some man paint up on the boat and fiberglass the boat and make sure the boat well taken care. But I'm curious about in general. Are you draw them?
No, you
Yeah man, brother bad man. Yeah man. I like artwork we are going. I like that boat there, no joke. Yeah man. Yeah, no, we're not tarry too long. You see, you know, they are look on the boat and make sure say the boat them nice. Yeah. And that is it. So it's a good look my people. We're there down at James Bond Beach. So go sway. So one brother down here so I do some artwork or something. I go check him out. You see? Yeah, I know some of them really plan to go and come down on the beach today, my people, and plan to deal with a different thing. But since I'm there on the beach with people, I see things are going on. I'll check out what are going on. You see? You don't know where a fisherman see me, so looking at thing and check out what are going on. Where are you, my general? I do all the hard work them.
No, it's all no. I go myself. Yeah, I'm busy and who do work and all some in time.
So I see them people.
So I catch on them and them paint and them take out the white.
Alright. So J-O-N-E. I want S with the right S.
J1.
J1. It's right, you got J.
Yeah man, J1.
Oh. So you don't know. 1J1 is it, and make sure I print up a boat as it. Yeah man. Your people look by inside of the boat. Yes. Yeah, I know so you come to Jamaica and go out on a little cruise and them something. So you boat them up well look taking care of as it for you can go some and get.
Different way color boat splash up in it.
Yeah. On like
yeah.
Pretty like where you see paint on the side.
Yeah.
Alright. I know, see there. I don't know, I'm sure no what going on Jamaica. I like to see what going on Jamaica now people.
Yeah?
Yeah man. And the great J1 there, so I saw it out in boat. Yeah, it's a good look. I like when I'm going out. Yes. Sorry, so I'm not see a big fish I'm sure you know. What name again? Tarpan? Yeah man. I see if I can see one or two tarpan. Because I'm sure no what I go on my people. All the tarpan there. See? I don't know, I'm not see them. Normal now that I swim up and down. Alright, watch out my people. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Jano. Yo, come up on the other side of the people. I could have swear I saw a big one. Oh, watch my people. So I tell you, Jesus Christ, my people. You see how Jamaican bless. A big fish. Just a swim pass and everything there. You see, it's a nice looking people. Alright, look at that, my people. Look at that. So amazing. I'm not coming here to stay too long. Fisherman, them are going with a vibe. So, we're here at James Bond Beach, you know, Oracabessa fishing village. I don't know no one can get a pound of fish. Right place to come get a pound of fish. And basically you see tarpon within the water, no one is allowed to actually catch these tarpon. Yeah, I just see a big one a while ago. Yeah, it's a good look, my people. Yeah, man. So basically, that's the Coast Guard base. You don't know police, you don't know fisherman police. So basically, they build up a base pan near to the beach so they can see what going on as they can look. So then unit them people. That is an unit. Yeah, man. Prettiest boat so far. I see on the seaside still. Love it. Yeah, man. Nice.
Yes, sire.
Well, I'm not grown. You see who do you this about ya? Are you painty? See general level painty boat, but in the novel. Yo, man, normal. Yeah. So it's a good look. I'm there. The grey Shango. So Shango at the pan engine. Wow, I'm just big up for myself, man. I don't know what the fancy is. We always deal with roast fish, my people. See it, eh? You know what that? Parrot, kangaroo, tony, and lion fish. And doctor the pan the grill, my people. Yeah, man. So we deal with it on the seaside. So I come to Jamaica. I want some roasted fish. See it, eh? That is it. Jenna there, so want to work on this. Set him up right and proper. That's how we do it on the seaside, my people. Yeah, man. People out of all our beach I'm go up on, my people, right now. I see this beach I'm go up on. This beach I'm come on right now. I'm up on this beach right now, my people. This beach I see the prettiest boat. Out of all our boat, them artwork. Yo, just you one, look on this. Somebody draw this, my people. Somebody draw this. This is not a sticker, no. Somebody draw this. Hear it? See, man, he himself alone. Yeah, you get guy. The man have talent. But look here. Jesus, yo. Tell me if this not real. A real fish this you look on. That me I tell you about. You see my try run down with the other two little one them. Yeah man, I try run down with the other two little one them. I watch one big old dolphin over there, some marlin up on the like so. But I'm not growing in people right now. This a beach, I'm come and see the best, the prettiest boat. I'm not seen a boat pretty like this one, I'm tell you, God, watch my people from far. I'm not seen a boat pretty like this. No funny. No boat not pretty like this. Yeah. No joke. Now we're there at Oracabessa Beach, you see me? And the boss at work. Boss at work, my people. As you can hear that sound, that's the sound of a rolling brush. Yeah. See, the man make things easy. And that happens when you know your work. Yeah, you know your work, you make things easy. And just look on this, look how quick the man run out the whole of this. I'm not telling my people right now, you give some man this, I will be water painting this way, some man. nah, girl, but I will be water painting, and I see a man just go start run off this and I paint space one quick minute. Yeah, nice. I like your work, my general. Yeah, man. Yo. You know, so I remember that place here now. They say then cut the road, go down this here now. That the land there, the man buy out. You know, people, I zoom in, I couldn't see what. See there? Here over so you see, I cut the road right there, so my people come down from the beach now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, basically, and cut a road, come down from the beach, my people. So you don't know. Say, there's another beach at them a big run. Nice. Yeah, man. You see it, eh? Everybody nice. Yeah, man. Big old marlin up on the side of the boat.
Good up, Ivan. You just left a while ago, man.
Oh, so nice, my people. Oh my, oh, so nice. See, Jamaica is a nice place, my people, no joke. You see? Watch ya. See, I see big old fish them we have now, water, soup, and down at Jamaica, them people, watch ya. And remember, man, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, you see. If you want to see me do a cooking video down on the beach, you make me know, leave a comment, you see me. Look at this, my people. It's just so nice to see the fish them just swimming up and down and this is really amazing. And these fish are called tarpon, my people, and they can actually go bigger than this. This one that I'm looking at, this one is small. So you have bigger one. You have bigger one in the water. Yeah, man, big tarpon in the water. Yeah, man, see ship them there. But then, right now, when people come at beach, people go and climb up on the ship them and swim and climb up on the ship them and jump out. As you can skydive, you can boom flick and all of them things there. Them on the ship. Yeah, man. It's all them are all abandoned ship. So in time people come at beach and they climb up on it, jump up and wait for a top in the water and just have some live and enjoy yourself here in Jamaica. So yes, my people, see the artwork, my people, really nice. Shark, dolphin, bonita, that is a dolphin right there. This is our bonita. Yeah, man. Running down to small fish. Nice. This is how Jamaica looks so beautiful. Yes, my people, see there. Just go and line up the dolphin the right and proper way of people. So I see say you have a whole heap of talent there, Jamaica, my people. Nice. Yeah, my boss draw this there.